Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 video doorbells. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Wireless video and audio doorbell. High-quality two-way talk with noise cancellation enables you to see, hear and speak with visitors in real time from anywhere. The doorbell will immediately alerts, push notifications to the mobile phone. The infrared light will automatically turn on, at night and infrared night vision. No wires or cables are required. Packed with 4 AA batteries, easy to set up and works on any home. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. 1x1 video intercom system. 7-inch color monitor, and connected outdoor doorbell, with integrated HD camera. Great sound quality, dimmable display, and 16 selectable doorbell tones, for additional personalization. The outdoor doorbell camera provides a 120 degrees viewing angle. All photos are automatically stored in the monitor's internal memory. Videos can also be recorded and saved using an inserted SD card. A truly easy, convenient way to add security to your home, and better protect the ones you love. Best of 3. Zimoto Wi-Fi video doorbell. On-demand live view gives you a 1080p crystal clear image of home. Night vision settings allow you to turn on off, or adjust the sensitivity of your night vision. A ring call will be pushed to your mobile phone, when the doorbell is pressed. Record a voice message for your visitors, when you don't want to or can't answer a call. Zimoto Greet Select gives you a whole protection, for your house, day and night, shine and rain. Best of 2. Fuzin waterproof Wi-Fi doorbell. With movement activated camera, two-way audio and 160 degrees wide angle. Compatible with both Android and iOS system. RIP, movement detector. Automatically switch day and night mode. Fuzin Wi-Fi video doorbell is waterproof and weatherproof. Best of 1. Ring video doorbell 2. Works with Alexa to launch real-time video with your voice. Lets you see, hear and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet and PC. Sends alerts as soon as motion is detected, or when visitors press the doorbell. Monitors your home in 1080 HD video, with infrared night vision. Lets you check in on your property at any time, with live view on-demand video. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.